Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. So I got this Athearn Genesis SD70M-2 NS2658. Already had the Tsunami sound in it, so I just did the lighting upgrade and the weathering. So I just want to show the lighting upgrade basically. And then of course it has the rear ditch lights, but those aren't going to flash because of the lighting outputs. So we're just going to quickly go through this. Just to show the rear ones. And that's basically it. So, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.